Thank you.
Abantu baminto mbuyamore iga Kenya gongo igu agatebe ngendo umuntu ndote ba woye so inside ye woye igari de woye igari de magagari woye magaga woye asante sana. Thank you so much. First of all, let me take this opportunity to honor our governor, Your Excellency, Governor Nyaribo. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for everything that you've done. The moment that we discovered that this trip was possible, when the national government reached out, the first thing I thought about was I can't come to Kenya without not coming to Nyamira. Nyombaimi. So thank you for according me all of the courtesies that this county has offered. You and your whole entire team, Madam Beatrice, and your whole entire team, I thank you. Nane Diva, thank you so much for everything that you've done. Nana, thank you. Thank you so much. Neronyo at the airport, and she's here. I appreciate you, my sister. Going back to His Excellency Nyaribo's team, I want to bring special greetings from our president, William Ruto. I was at the State House. I got a chance to talk to him one-on-one. Do you receive? Yes. I want to also thank all of our pastors who are here. All of the pastors, Tenango, please. Thank you so much. Pastor Ndubi, you have been a pastor for our family since I could remember. Thank you. Cousin Omesa, thank you, and all the pastors. Uncle Clement, thank you so much. I want to take an opportunity to appreciate our community leaders. Can I please see all the community leaders? If you have a leadership role in our community here, raise your hand. Please wave at me. Thank you so much for everything that you do for our community. I want to take this special moment where I am my young leaders. Where are my young leaders at? My Gen Z leaders. No, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. You are the next leaders of this country, of this county. Build your resumes. Make sure that when you're ready to step into that position, and nobody else can challenge. So whatever you do, especially our young people, what you're doing right now will reflect the future life that you're looking for. So my young people, especially my young ladies. Ladies, where are you? No more. Yes. The girl child. I'm so passionate about the girl child. Because I care about the window kunyara, ntunyareti. O moiseke, korunyamira, gusiga, nyamemiso, manga ward, mbungara America. Amen. So I want to thank you so much. I want to appreciate my family. My family from Minnesota, stand up one more time. Everybody who came from Minnesota, yes. Thank you. I love you people. You know, once I did this journey 6 years ago when I ran for Senate, we didn't win. I want the one speed they forgot about me. When you lose, I want to baliko inyora. Lakini wana na gwede, I want the one speed back chidega. So I want to thank you, my Minnesota folks. I love you people. I appreciate you. All right. And then that's my uncle, don't control I. Nero yoga. Thank you so much.